Hey, it's shovelheadffej, and I am in the shovelhead shed, and I'm fixing to go out for a ride. But before I do, I want to give a shout out to my brother Paul. He gave me this STP hat when I was a little kid, man. When I was a little kid, boy, if you had an STP sticker, that was the coolest thing in the world. And for some reason, we thought it was funny because we always thought it meant stop teenage pregnancy. Kids, you know. Anyway, thank you, Paul. Paul's got a YouTube channel, but he ain't got nothing on it. When he gets something on it, when he gets something on the channel, then I'll give him a shout out for his channel. I've had people in my DMs ask me, hey man, do you like shoot all your videos just like in one day because you're always wearing the same clothes? No, I just always wear this shirt. This is my favorite shirt, and usually when I'm riding, I wear the shirt because it's got top pockets and stuff like that. And some of the bikes that I ride have no saddlebags or anything. I ain't got no place to put my phone. So no, I'm not always wearing the same clothes, sort of. And I do wash this, or I have it washed. It is just my favorite shirt. It's rattered and tattered, and I love it. So anyway, see you on the road. Shut up, chicken. FedFej. Today I needed a part for a secret project that I'm working on, and there's only one place that I know where I could find the part because it is such a rare part. And I drove down to my buddy Hippie Dave's, that's what I call him, at T&E Cycle in Punta Gorda, Florida. Google T&E Cycle. Look, man, if you need anything hard to find Triumph parts, hard to find Harley Davidson part, any type of hard to find parts, this guy's been in business for almost 40 years here, and he's got it all. This place is, in one of the videos I showed you a little bit of this place, but this place is really one of the coolest places that I have ever been to. It is like a museum for motorcycles. He said finding stuff is like an archaeological dig. He's got some of the coolest bikes, some of the coolest stuff that I ever seen in my life. I'll grab some pictures. Dave's a real cool guy. He said that if you mention my name when you call him or come by, he will charge you 10% extra for just knowing me. So I'm knocking crap over. Check out this panhead. All the stuff in here is for sale. He's got it. He's got it, man. Right, that's an old Springer front end right there. He's really cool. He lets me kind of, let me pick this up. Oh God, help me. You know, and the funny thing is, this guy knows where the parts are. If you say, hey, do you have this or that? He knows. He knows exactly where everything is. So check him out. T&E Cycle in Punta Gorda, Florida. This is just one. Those are all vintage. Honda, Kawasaki, Triumph, all vintage tanks, man. This is just one of his buildings. He has a ton of stuff. I don't know how many times I've been in here, and every time I come in here, it's almost like I talk in a hushed tone, and I don't know, man. I see new things. This place is unbelievable, man. It is unbelievable. Yeah, I want that gas tank, but I can't get to it. Florida, and this is, I call him Hippie Dave. What do they call you, Dave? Dave? Hippie Dave?
Whatever.
Hippie Dave. Do you know anybody that knows more about motorcycles than you?
Just separately.
Okay. See, he's honest. He doesn't brag. Because I would be bragging. I would be saying, nope, there's nobody else more than me. Anyway, like I said, man, this guy has got some of the best. I mean, it is. I told him today, I said he should have sold tickets to come down and see his museum of motorcycles and parts and stuff like that. If you're looking for it, he's definitely got it. All right, I'm out. Peace. See ya. Say bye, Dave.
Bye.
I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some fucking people I don't like.